What's up everyone, it's Lee here, the rental guy. Welcome to a quick video, quick tips for rental companies just like me. Let's get into it. All right, quick tip, you've got stacks of chairs, you're picking them up, you wanna move them around. I've got my chairs here, and I've got my trailer there, and I'm picking up, just grab a retractable ratchet. I keep these in stacks of 20 to 30 so that the ratchet can fit around. Just right on the bottom, clipped in there, clip it in. Now we can really play around with the chairs for the load up. Okay, another thing, deliver them on the carts and instruct them to stack them back on the carts. They love having the carts, just take the ratchets with you. And see how these have the little lip there? If you push on this side, well then they won't slide, right? The other way they do slide. People always say, what should I start renting? Well, the easiest thing to start renting is yard games. Yard games. What's that? That is yard games right there. See that pallet there? That was filled with yard games and they're all out right now. They go out every single week. Stick with the basics, stick with Connect 4, stick with Jenga, stick with Beanbag. If you're going to get a trailer, get one with double axles because it can hold double the weight. Because this stuff weighs a lot when it's full. I mean, what if you get tent weights? Well, you need to be able to hold them in a trailer that can. Double axles, pro tip. Make sure that trailer has a ramp that can, well, be a ramp, not a door that goes out sideways, a ramp that goes down so you can wheel that stuff in. It will save you time. These are concrete weights that help weigh down tents. This is my pallet stacker. It lifts the weights. This is my dolly that lifts the weights. It's called the Boss Hoss from Princess Auto, or if you're in the States, Tractor Supply. And it lifts the tent weights into the trailer. Whoa. And what's this? This is a cutter. This is how we make our signs so that you can rent them. Customized signs. If you're starting from your garage, these Husky shelving work great because garages are low, right? And then you can always sell. There's great resale value on these Husky shelves. I sold all of them except for a few, and then I bought pallet racking in my shop with the money that was left over from when I transitioned from the garage into a warehouse. So these Husky racking have great resale value. Another thing, you want to be as pro as possible. I had to sub-rent something from competition lately because I was out, which is fine because you'll have to sub-rent every once in a while. It was some linens, and the linens, well, they had a label on them that had my name on it, and I was like, why am I not doing this? So I went out and I bought a Dymo and some labels, and now everything that I put out is going to have a label that says the customer's name on it when it's packaged, like glassware and linens, and so that things don't get confused which order. Dymo, be professional, get a Dymo. So this thing right here is a linen roller, and it's a valuable resource when you're trying to quickly get some wrinkles out of stuff. Right here, I've got 6 shear panels for a backdrop, so I'm going to roll them. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, stay tuned for more quick tips for rental companies just like me. You stay classy.